কি?
আসসালামু আলাইকুম রহমতুল্লাহি ওয়া বারাকাতুহু। কেমন আছো ভাই? আলহামদুলিল্লাহ ভালো আছি। তোমার ভাই ভালো আছো? আমার দুই স্টুডেন্ট তারা ইন্ট্রোডাকশন
My introduction. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The honorable teacher, parents and friends, how are you everyone? I hope you are doing well. I am Safai. I am a student class 1. I am a study successful school by answer. My name is Shakib. My father name is Yusuf. My mother name is Kushida. I live in Mansar, cluster 24, room number 4. My mother is a housewife. My father is a fisherman. I have 3 brothers and 3 sisters. I sleep at night. I wake up in the morning. I go to school every day.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The honorable teacher and honorable teacher, parents and friends, how are you everyone? You are doing well. How are you everyone? I am also fine. I am a student class. I study software stream school by myself. My name is Shalom. My father's name is Dubai. My mother's name is Luzan. I live in Bayansar. Pastor Sansulis room number 11. Is a housewife. My father's name is my father is a shopkeeper. I have 5 brothers and one sister and 2 sisters. I wake up in the morning.
I sleep.
I wake up in the morning. I go to school every day.